Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're going to watch on Chainsaw Man episode 10. We are closing in on the ending here. And I think they only had, 13 episodes? Or was it the 12? 12 episodes, yeah. I think the anime only had 12 episodes. So we're closing in on the ending. Makina's power is bullcrap in my opinion. It's too OP in my opinion. It's too powerful. Her power is too powerful. I like that the girl with the snake, like I said, this is Makina's power. Only she would have this kind of a crazy power. I like that. I like that. Let's continue watching, and I hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. And don't forget to subscribe, like the video downstairs, down there, okay? I'm counting on you guys.
公安のデビルハンターによる大規模な戦闘が行われました。しかし相手は悪魔だけでなく人間だとのも
Alive. He's taking his apples.
お腹が空いたから帰っただけじゃ。
嘘つけビビリ死刑
嘘つきは罠じゃ。
なろ
なんじゃ。
四か秋間さんに呼ばれてるから帰るぜ。
見舞いの果物を食いに来ただけじゃ。
I only came to eat the fruit you do.
リンゴ
I'll leave you an
し
apple.
といてやるよ。じゃあな。
Oh, he leaving an apple is actually very good. That's what apples care.
と何年生きれる
Oh. 2 years. 2 years. Damn. Damn. Yeah, he's crying. There he comes. It said, you need to live so you can cry for me when I die. Because her tears has stopped coming. He really cares about Aki. But I actually like this scene right now that he's crying for her because he was his mentor. How many people did she survive with? 6 people. 7th one? It's all the lucky 7 that survives. Or was it the backwards? He was the 6th per. How many I forgot. How many parts did she have before Aki? She had 5 or 6. I forgot which one. I forgot how many partners she had. I hope I was right that he was the 7th. Because it's a signature number that shows he's going to be the lucky 7 that's going to survive. I really hope that's going to be it. Or it's Denji the 7th person that she mentored. I'm very curious about that.
大勢仕事仲間が死んだらしいし、バディや姫野も死んだわけだしな。
You have not known her too much.
人が死んだ時は悲しかったな。
Yeah.
ひどくね
No, you probably.
パワーが死んだら泣けるか。
Oh, he knows that he's different.
マキマさんが死んだ。
Oh, he knows that he doesn't have his emotions. He doesn't have the emotion to
マキマさん
connect.
が死んだら入れりゃ俺最高だもん。
Damn. Damn.
想像だけじゃ人の
Oh, I love this. This is amazing. He noticing a change in his perspective. He's becoming more of a devil, in my opinion, right here. Because he doesn't feel the same emotion as a human should do anymore. Because he's saying right now, exactly saying right now, when Potter, yeah, I felt extremely sad. But I don't feel anything about my coworkers right now. I don't feel anything. Is what he's saying right now. I love it. He's saying they don't matter to him. And he said, Mata is just free. I will just be down in 3 days and then I will go back and enjoy life again. He's just saying he was a good mate and I will be down. I will be sad in 3 days and then I will be on with it. That's actually like a devil say it's. Yeah, I will be a little down. I will not be as active. I will just want to stay home, sob a little. Then I will go out again and be happy. I think that's actually how they have an inactive period. If they're close to someone dies, then they will be not be active maybe for 1 or 2, 3 days. Then they will be active again. They are mourning them. Maybe they don't have any of that compassion.
まあシリアスなことは考えなくていいか。
Oh,
楽しくねえこと考えて。あ、
憂鬱じゃ。
look how.
食べていいですか。
指導
Oh, he's wondering what's happening right now. What's happening? I love this. These are amazing stuff, though. I'm actually curious on how it's going to go. Because I'm looking forward to this. Because I love everything here. It's amazing. I love it. I actually am curious on how it's going to go. I'm very curious how it's going to go. I wonder how they're going to coach. Because he has... Actually, head-to-head combat with Denji, yeah, that would work perfectly for him. He needs to learn to have to move, actually just martial arts to take down. Because he has a strong body, though. Yeah, he has a merge with a devil, so he can be quite strong if he trains a little bit. Get his jam organs back. Let's continue. Still going back.
4課を強化しようと思ったんだけど、ほとんど死んじゃったね。
牧間さんが指導してくれるんですか。
残念だけど私は忙しくなっちゃうから。
You're visiting his disciple staff.
名前は
Shh.
黙れ
Damn.
俺の質問に答えろ
Oh, I love this voice actor.
仲間が死んで
俺を面倒見てくれる方。
飼ってる方。
Anyone is win. Oh,
100点だ
get full points. That is
素
so.
晴らしい好きだ
I love it. Oh, I love it. He doesn't have any emotion on his face. It's right.
まあお前は帰れ
Oh,
俺は得意一家でデビルハンターをやってる
from special
先
to
生と呼ばれると気持ちよくなれるから酒と女と悪魔を
and
殺
kill
す
devil. Damn! Did he crush their bones? Damn, he's suffocating them. Damn. He made him pass out like that. Damn.
お前たちの筋肉と骨の仕組みは俺たちと同じだ
ちくしょ
Damn.
う。何しやがる。
Oh,
お前の心臓がなぜか知らんが銃の悪魔に
yeah, after you,
なのにお前が簡単にやら人間を鍛えたことはある
there's a new deal.
お前たちみたいな悪魔は一度もにやられたのでついに
Oh, a
俺
flat.
は最強のデビルハンターだ俺を倒せるよ
You're strong enough to beat me.
俺はお前
I'll be hunting the two of you. Huh?
こいつ頭が終わっておる。
も
Damn! He got weapon! Damn! What the training montage is probably going to get now? We're going to get a good training montage! I can already see it. The training montage, I can already see it, how it's going to go. It's going to go like this. Yeah. If he dies, it's going to be on them. And I love his way of thinking. I'm the strongest devil hunter there is. That means the devil that can kill me should be the strongest devil. That's an amazing thing to say. Actually, if you believe you're strongest, that's not the mentality you actually need. I'm the strongest. And no, you can. I will always prevail to me from yesterday. Stuff like that. That's just a good mentality to have, because as long as you don't regress, you're going to always go forward. Because mentally, you're going to have a perfect mentality to go for. It's going to be amazing to see how this fight's going to go. We just saw he got stabbed. Damn. Damn. Damn.
男の俺はガキの頃から力が強くておもちゃをすぐ
Because I was too strong.
だから壊れないおもちゃが欲しかったんだ
Take a peek.
俺がお前たちを
The pair was serious bad.
してやるよ
嫌われた。もう二度と狐は使わせてもらえへんやろうね。その刀も呪いの悪魔のやつやろ。それもあとどれくらい使えんの？指導ってのはそういうことで、それなりの覚悟を君にはしてもらう。覚悟？そう、覚悟。
やめへんならもっと強い悪魔と契約して。
バディを殺したやつもまだ生きてる。なのになんでやめれるんですか？そうですか。わかりました。じゃあ今日はもう遅いんで帰りますわ。明日また来て書類とか持ってきます。女性のお客さん来てますよ。じゃ、ごゆっくり。
That Makima? Who's that? Yeah. Who the hell was that? He was in shock. Was that like his partner's sister? Or mother? What the hell? Who the hell was that? Don't tell me it was one of the people that actually blamed her. They come here to blame him now. Please tell me that what's not happening right now. At least tell me it was at least a sister to her and she knew she was going to die someday. She probably tried to will and probably talked that he's probably the only one that's going to cry for me when I die. I like that, so let's continue. Damn, they're exhausted. Damn. Damn, I love that brain.
今日何回か。
ウニが死んだ時、大体は
Damn. Who did he have that late?
あのじじい強すぎじゃん。
こんな生活。あのアルチェやろ。俺たちおもちゃ扱いしやがってよ。
Yeah, the Disney
マジ
one.
ムカついてるぜ。
Yeah.
わかった
何が出たぜ。漫画とかの頭いいキャラみてえに戦えたらいいなってよ。
頭脳であいつをぶっ殺すか。
He didn't want it with
なんか
the two dumbest characters.
気がするぜ。
The two dumbest characters in the series. In my opinion, these two, they are the stupid characters of this series. But they are the main characters. Some main characters are stupid, but they are in a certain sense a battle genius, or they didn't put the effort. Like Naruto. We take Naruto for example. He was not an academic genius, but he was able to put forth all the knowledge. He was gaining knowledge. He did pass the Jonin exams and everything. He did. I think he did. So, yeah, I believe he did. He did learn everything to be on how to be an Okage. He did learn everything. So it's not outside of his element. So he did learn. He's not the brightest character, but he's not the stupidest. Not stupid. Put it like that. Luffy, he's a battle genius, but everything else is below normal. But he's not stupid. Not equally stupid as these. He's more of a happy go guy. My opinion. This is I actually want to see a rubber devil. Imagine that exists in this world. A rubber devil. Maybe that's the devil fruit he ate. It's not going to happen.
あいつらの家は確か
Then he gets to die.
超インテリ作戦。
Look at this! Oh, close!
その武器か
I love it.
今度は
Oh, damn! Oh, oh my god, look at him! He's having fun, baby. He's gonna go to have fun. Oh! Oh! Did he hit his nose?
頭を使う
In this corner, yeah, it is.
もっと頭を使え
That is.
できなかったところだ
Yeah.
今回は良かったからもう終わりだ俺
あ
は見に行く
Fuck you, yeah. Oh, he killed it either way.
信用するな
Damn, that's me. He's a trustworthy guy.
身を守る武器は必要やろ。
What kind of devil is this? Oh, I wonder.
関係ないっすけど、昨日の美人、彼女、妹の方です。
Yeah, it was younger
あ
sister.
らら、じゃあ殴られました？いえ、手紙をもらいました。
Oh. So she actually kept contact with her sister. Taking his actually get his ears pierced. Damn, dude, wing motion.
君は未来の悪魔。
Future
で
them.
こいつと契約している人は2人。すみますよ。じゃあ、どうぞ。
Oh. You're going to get the future devil, a new devil. I'm like curious on what kind of demand that devil is going to have on him. That's my concern. For the most part. What is his contract there with him? I'm like curious of what the future devil wants. I hope we get a picture. I want to see a picture of him. A knife? Oh. I'm curious on how that devil looks. Yeah, I'm curious on how that demon looks. I am very curious on how that devil looks. I'm very curious right now. I want to know. I want to go and just check the next episode so I can watch it, so I can see what that what it is, but I'm not going to do that because I want to watch it tomorrow. It's what I'm going to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because, oh my god, I liked it. They're getting intense. Aki only has 2 years left, so I think that the one that had a long time to probably live, he probably would die maybe at around maybe 60, 70, maybe 100. So he cut his life short. He was a Shinigami Ice Deal for Death Note. And I think the other one took the eyes and taste of smell and taste. I think that's because he didn't have the lifespan to actually take the contract that the other one took. Because they probably only may live half that person's life even now. Maybe it was maybe had a third of that the normal lifespan. Maybe, I don't know, because it's a future devil, so maybe it can see into the future and knows which people it go to contract with. So I'm very sure how it's going to go. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video down below, and have a nice day, everyone. I'm signing off. Bye.